here it is. All right, music off. Anticlimactic, but I'll turn around and enjoy it again. Don't worry. How do I want to do this? Yeah, alright. That's why I have a lens protector there. Alright, as you guys can see in the reflection there is a crack, but that's just on the lens protector, so we should be fine. Overall, I would say that was very successful. It's pretty much exactly the footage that I wanted. I know I watch videos of these R6s going through tunnels and situations like that, so hopefully you guys enjoyed that. I'm pretty sure when I got this lens protector there were 2 or 3 in the pack, and I don't think that the screen underneath that broke, so I'm gonna call that a success. But anyway, I'll see you guys in the next one. Ciao.